hope you all are doing good. Today I am making mixed fruit yogurt ice cream, which is really tasty as well as healthy. So let's get started and let's see what are the ingredients that we need to make this yummy yogurt ice cream. In a blender, take any frozen fruits or berries of your choice. I am using some frozen raspberries, some frozen mangoes, some blueberries, blackberries, some grapes, and some strawberries. Then I am adding around 1 tablespoon of lemon juice into it for the tanginess in my ice cream. This step is totally optional, but I like the tangy flavor. Then I'm adding around 1 teaspoon of honey into it for the smooth texture of my ice cream, and also honey gives that extra sweetness. So I would recommend you must add honey. Now the final step, I am adding unflavored plain Greek yogurt into it. If you don't have Greek yogurt, you can use plain yogurt as well. So that's all, we are good to go. Now we will blend it smooth and our ice cream will be ready. And the ice cream is ready now. Wow, the color of the ice cream is so pretty and the texture is really smooth, creamy and thick. You can have it now or you can keep it inside the refrigerator and have it later. You can eat it as it is or you can add some toppings of your choice for some extra flavors. You can add any types of fresh fruits, berries, some nuts, any syrups, or any berry sauce into it. I am adding some fresh strawberries and blueberries here. I will also add some chunks of walnuts into it for that extra crunch. And yeah, I am going to enjoy this recipe right now. If you like this recipe, then do try it at your home and let me know about your views in the comment section below. If you like my video, then hit the thumbs up button and share this video with your family and friends. And do subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.